Hey guys, so this is the website that I created. I decided to make a nonprofit called Project Color, and I thought that um, it would be a good opportunity as an artist to gather artists in a community to help paint murals over vandalism. So basically, that's what my nonprofit was about, um, to lower vandalism and to make the places we live a more colorful and beautiful place. So I decided that color should be a pretty good theme, but also I like having white backgrounds because it really focuses you on like what is being said on a website. So I added color up here at the top and in the headings to make sure that color was in there because that is the theme. So I have the home, overview, get involved, donate, portfolio, take action, and then a search button. Up here's my logo. As you scroll down, I decided it was probably a good idea to kind of welcome you to Project Color. Here's our team. It's just a stock photo. Welcome to Project Color. Like, we're happy you're here. As you scroll down, we talk about what is Project Color. These are the murals that we've done. You can click next, go to see more. Obviously, these are not real ones, but and then down here, you can scroll through the portfolio of things that we have, the vibrant colors, kind of give you more into what we do. Down here, I decided that it would be nice if you met the team, kind of see what you could be a part of, basically. And so each of these people, I wrote like kind of a blurb of sort of what made them become part of Project Color, and hopefully that helps people want to get involved. And then I have a call to action, the donate now. You can either donate now by calling this number or through our website. We have subscription donations available. You're able to like just set up monthly subscription payments to donate. And then another team picture kind of like showing how many people are a part of this. Like, thank you for helping us to support more local artists also at the same time, helping them get their names out there. Another picture in front of a mural saying we couldn't do this without you. Another call to action called saying get involved. If you want to be a part of the opportunities in your area, leave your information here. And then down here, another color to bring it all in. I liked the layout of this because I thought that it's very straight to the point and it helps you understand like what the mission's about, and it doesn't really have a lot of padding, so you're really not confused about what's going on. And so that is what I thought I did well. I thought the website flowed pretty well. So thank you very much.